Are you tired of your dehumidifier filling up too quickly and shutting off? Or are you tired of your dehumidifier and when you run that drain hose, it only goes so far, it gets all over the floor, it causes a mess, and it doesn't have the pumping power to go over and out a window? Well, folks, we've got this right here. It is a little water pump. And you know what's great about it? We can put it right into the basin in the back of our dehumidifier and we can pump that water out. This will go and work in an elevated fashion where we can pump it over a wall. And this is truly fantastic. Let's go ahead and check it out. We're gonna kick it off right now. Now, folks, you can see we've gone ahead and put the pump in the basin of our dehumidifier, and that's going to allow us to run the hose. And look at how fast it's pumping out that water, and we can run that long hose all the way out of the house. And I want you to watch in real time as this basin empties out in the bottom of the dehumidifier. You can see it's getting more crystal clear, easier to see it because the water is less and less deep. Of course, this product's standout feature is the ability to automatically check the water level. If it has accumulated, it automatically empties the tank, saving the user the hassle of having to mess with it. You can see as this gets lower and lower, it's automatically detected the water level and it is draining out accordingly. They've just done a great job here emptying this tank for us. Look at this, it's getting lower and lower as we speak, getting rid of hassle. The product also boasts the highest lifting height among comparable devices, demonstrating it's got incredible power. Now, what makes this particularly cool is that whether you need to lift or move the water just about anywhere, even over long distances, this tiny little pump can do it. So folks, you can see the elapsed time is just under 3 minutes to empty the entire bucket, everything we have here, and it's just doing a great job making sure that we get the water out easily and efficiently. How cool is that? It automatically shuts off when the water level is low, and if it were to fill up again, it'll go ahead and eject that water immediately. And next I want to take a demonstration and show you the absolute lifting power. We've got the pump. We're going to go ahead and plug it in to my hot tub. Okay, now the water is now flowing out of the hot tub, and we have it right here. You can see the water flowing, right? You can see where I can run this just about anywhere. Well, let's check out the lifting power. A standard pump certainly couldn't lift it this high. And look at that. I can even step up on this chair. The incredible lifting power. No other pump can do this. And just to give you an idea of the pressure coming from this pump, that is pretty significant pressure from a smaller pump. And yeah, I do want to show you, we're going to lift it back out of the water. Slowly but surely. Look how much hose we have there. Once it's lifted out of the water, it will go ahead and shut off. And that means you're not checking it when the water levels are low. If it goes back into the water, or the water accumulates, the hose and pump, they start running again. Realistically, the lifting power is very important. Say you're trying to get water out of your basement, a common activity. You need that power to be able to lift it all the way up. You're trying to get that wet, low-lying area, run the dehumidifier down there and get that water out. This is the perfect pump for you. And like I said, with the highest lifting power among comparable devices, this thing is an absolute winner. So folks, for my money, this little pump from Dr. Tech is the best of the best. Energy efficient, it's not breaking the bank, constantly pulling electricity. It's waterproof, it automatically senses if there's water, it will lift it 100 feet horizontally, 15 feet vertically, and put that water where you need it, down the drain, down the tubes, and you don't have to worry about it. Comes with everything you need, and it's at a price point that won't break the bank. This solved the problem of having an air conditioning unit in my garage and not knowing what to do with the water. It'll work with the dehumidifier mode as well, and it only took a few seconds to set up. Folks, we highly recommend you go pick one up. You will not be disappointed. And in our testing, this has worked for hundreds and hundreds of hours without fail. Folks, go check it out. You will not be disappointed. IPX8, it can't be beat. Thanks for watching. I love you guys. Adios, amigos.